They keep telling you, just rest. Like it's that simple. But instead of feeling better, you actually end up feeling lazy. Like exhaustion is a scheduling problem you should have solved already. But here's what no one is actually saying. The real reason just rest isn't working for you isn't your fault. You were taught how to plan work, but never how to plan your rest to make time for your joy. And real rest, it's a strategy. Softness isn't an accident, it's a decision. When you rest with intention, that's how you heal burnout for good. This video is inspired by Dr. Simone Ellis, The Truth About Dr. Burnout. And I love it because she's naming what not just so many doctors feel, but what so many professionals feel too. But this isn't just about burnout at work. It's about the trap of shallow rest that doesn't actually help. Let me tell you a secret. If you only rest when you're tired, you're waiting way too long. It's like waiting to eat until you're starving. And then by the time you do, you're in survival mode, not self-care. When it comes to rest, that survival mode has a name, rest debt. Rest debt happens when you spend more energy than you can restore and never catch up. You're exhausted, but you keep pushing. You take the day off, but it barely scratches the surface. You sleep in, but still wake up tired. You binge watch, cancel plans, go offline, but somehow you still feel burnt out. Why? Because those are activities, not a strategy. Rest isn't just sleep. It isn't a reward at all. Rest is a responsibility to you, to yourself. When you're stuck in the trap of reactive rest, you keep collapsing, not actually resting, over and over and over again. That cycle doesn't just cost you energy, it costs you clarity, creativity, and connection. Okay, wait, I just want to pause for a second. If you are ready to actually take action and figure this out, then you want to take my soft life assessment. It's just 2 minutes, 9 questions that are going to help you figure out what exactly is in the way, like what's blocking your soft life. Head to the link in the description, take the assessment, get your results, and then let's have a conversation so you can finally get to being a rested queen. You don't need more rest. You need the right kind of rest. Rest that aligns with your nervous system, rest that matches your lifestyle, rest that refuels, not just pauses you. This is the biggest mindset shift I teach my clients. Burnout is not healed by time off. It's healed by rest that's planned with intention, personalized, prioritized, and protected all around you. And when you start treating rest as a mandatory pregame, not optional, that's when everything changes. You've been trying to fix exhaustion with just rest, but what you actually need is a blueprint, a real strategy that fits your life, your nervous system, and your dreams. That's what we're diving into in the next video, how to rest and actually feel rested. Go ahead and watch that video right here. See you in the next video.